Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of 26th of April to 2nd of May. Please keep in mind that the general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Let's see. Wow, very clear. What you don't see is the magician. Again, change. So, right now the energy is that either I feel this is not you, this is somebody around you who's not decided about you, who is really now seeing things from different perspective. It could be you for some of you, that you're seeing things from a different perspective, and it really moves things ahead, moves things forward for you guys. And devil energy, I think the relationship which will go forward is very passionate. And for some of you it could be a third party, it could be a uh, I would say not a very, yes, it is passionate, yes, it is, but it could be toxic for you, some of you, because devil energy is here. But things will definitely start moving as your perspective changes. But I think you should be aware of this toxic relationship around you. Let's see what the major arcana card has. Devil again. Wow. So yeah, toxicity is definitely involved in this, but you have really wished for this relationship, and you really want it because you things will start moving in this relationship. But believe there is definitely there's a lot of passion, there's a connection, but be aware of the toxicity which is attached to this connection, so that in future you don't suddenly get surprised by what you get. Let's see what the love messages are for you. I think we all go for passion. Passion is something that drives humans, so I don't blame any of you for this. Okay. Yes, you are being watched with loving eyes. Sometimes the good is hidden. So again, like my job is to tell you what the cards are telling you. But the cards are again telling you two things. What would love do in this situation? You're definitely seeing things from other perspectives. So you are doing that. You are being watched by loving eyes. Yes. The people around you are somebody around you who really is into you, is watching you, is wanting to come towards you. And sometimes the good is hidden. Sometimes we don't see what the good is in a situation. So if it's a toxic situation and you know it is toxic, I think we only focus on the passion. Like I said, we are human beings and we want passion in our lives, and we really don't we see what will we lose is the question. I think if we lose we will lose out the good relationship that is coming towards us. We will lose out the thing that is meant to be, which is coming towards us. So it is up to you, to decide. Cards could, we'll meet next week and see how this relationship goes, which you are wanting to get into. Let me take one more message from the universe. The universe has my back. So the universe definitely has your back. It says, whatever you are doing, if there's something that you should not be getting into, universe will definitely tell you. The universe will definitely alarm you because it has your back. It says, let's see how you can handle the situation. By simplicity, by being simple. I think this simplicity means that it's very simple. There is no rocket science behind what you need, you should be doing, what you shan't be doing. So you guys know, your intuition knows. I think everybody has an intuition and a gut feeling which tells them whether or not to go towards a certain direction. But again, it is up to you. Things will definitely move. Your perspective will change. People or somebody around you whose perspective will change. Things will start moving. There's a lot of passion in this third party situation that you'll be getting into. There's a lot of attraction. But again, universe has your back, and if it asks you to stay away from something, listen to the universe, listen to your gut feeling. Keep it simple, don't complicate things. And this is what the messages are for you this week. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll be putting out the monthly ones very soon. And I'll see you next week.